Come back every day and collect your daily bonus. Welcome to Super City. Can you feel the cold? The ice monster came to the city. Don't worry, Blaze is coming. Oh, poor kitty. I will melt the ice. Let's dry Kitty's coat. Much better. These will protect him from the cold. Yay! Good job! Kitty is warm and safe. Look, it's snowing. Let's chase away the clouds so that the sun can shine again. Crack the icicles. Yeah! Woohoo! It's too hot in here for Ice Monster. Woohoo! Let's ship him somewhere not tape it. Don't forget the stamp. Open it, please. Yay! Woohoo! Good job! The ice monster loves his new home. Welcome to Super City. Play the video and get coins. Welcome to Super City. Hi, I'm Flora. Dress me up. Wow, what a beautiful dress. Wonderful. Beautiful. Golden. Welcome to Super City. Hi, my name is Moana. I need to take a bath. Pop the bubbles. Can you wash my hair? Shampoo for my shiny hair. It feels great. Now rinse the shampoo off. Let's dry my hair. Great! Now brush it. Some final touches for an awesome look. Wow, nice jewelry. I look stunning. Thank you so much. It's time for your reward. Welcome to Super City. Hi, my name is Blaze. Let's cook. Chop it. Pour some oil. Put onions and garlic into the frying pan. Stir and fry it. Now add the mince. You're doing great! Add some tomato sauce. We need salt too. Good job! Add pepper. Mix everything together. Tap spaghetti bag. Put it in the boiling water. You're the best! Grab the spoon and stir it. Wait for a few minutes. Can you set the table? Light the candles. Add some sauce.